Do you think we can turn this whole cauliflower into a delicious meal? Even with all the greens? I mean, look at it. It's almost half the vegetable. Okay, so for this recipe you can actually leave the greens on. In this week's live zero waste cooking class, you will prepare a whole roasted coconut cauliflower with me, a professional chef. Since my oven is not very high, I'm just gonna cut it off and I'm gonna use them for a curry or maybe a pasta sauce or something later. If you want to see how I get the most out of this cauliflower and turn the leaves into another delicious meal, let me know in the comments below. Alongside the cauliflower, we will make a little snack out of lentils. We will make them crispy and you can even use them as a topping for the main dish. And a little tip for less waste. To save some energy, I did not only boil the lentils for a snack, but also for some salad that I'm gonna make tomorrow. If you want to get the most out of every ingredient you buy, save money, save time, and save the planet too, join me in this week's zero waste cooking class to make one of my all-time favorite, golden cauliflower. Let's ride the wave.